Hi, this is Ankit Pandey and today I will teach you about the coordinate geometry. So what is the coordinate geometry? So in this coordinate geometry, we will find out the location of any point or object. Okay, so we need to the coordinate geometry. Okay, so if we find out the distance between the two any point by using the coordinate geometry, so we need the two line. Okay, so one is the horizontal line and second is the vertical line. So this two line make the coordinate graph. Okay, so simply this is the x-axis, so horizontal line, and this is the y-axis, so vertical line. Okay, so this two line intersect at point, so point is called the origin. Okay, so you have to remember about the value of the origin. So value of the origin, so 0, 0. Okay, so this is called the origin. Okay, so on x-axis from the origin on the right side, so point will be the positive. Okay, and on the x-axis from the origin, so point will be the negative. Okay, so this is a fix. Okay, and on the y-axis, okay, from the origin at the top side, so point will be the positive, and from the origin at the bottom side, point will be the negative. Okay, so find out the distance of the point from the x-axis, so it's called the y coordinates, or we can say is the ordinates. Okay, the distance find out the of point from the y-axis is called the x coordinate, or we can say is the abscissa. Okay, so this coordinate find divide into the four part. Okay, four quadrant. So first is the first quadrant, second is the, and this is the fourth. Okay, so this is the x and y. So what is the x and y? X and y points of the coordinates and order into the form. First is x and second is the y. So according to this order, so sign will be the first quadrant is the positive and positive. Okay, because x is positive and y is positive, and sign of the second quadrant is the negative and positive. Okay, because x is negative and y is positive. Okay, and sign of the third quadrant is the negative and negative, because x is negative, y is negative, and sign of the fourth quadrant is the positive and negative. Okay, because x is positive and y is negative. Okay, so we have the 4 points. Okay, so we have the 4 point. First point is the 2 and 3 is the 4 comma minus 4. Okay, so this point we have to locate, we have to draw in this coordinates graph. Okay, so first point is a 2 comma 3, so x is 2 and y is 3. Okay, so x into y is 3. Okay, so first is 2 comma 3, and second is b minus 3 comma 4. So x is minus 3 and comma 4. Okay, so b is minus 3 comma 4, and c is minus 2 and comma minus 3. So x is minus 2 and y is minus 3. Okay, so this is a c, minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, so d is a 4 comma minus 4. So d is 4 comma minus 4. Okay, so second question is, how can we find out the distance between the 2 points? Okay, so by using the distance formula. So we will taking the 2 point b and d. Okay, and find out distance. Find out the distance between the b and d. Okay, b and d. Okay, so according to the distance formula, this is the x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, so here is the b is minus 3 comma 4 and the d is 4 comma minus 4. Okay, so B point is the x1 and y1, and D point is the x2 and y2. Okay, so this is a method. So first coordinate for point will be the x1 and y1, and second point of coordinate will be the x2 and y2. Okay, so put in this formula, x2 is the 4. Okay, x1 is the negative and negative 3 whole square, plus y2 is the minus 4 and y1 is the minus 4 whole square. Okay, so this is the 4 and this is the minus minus plus also. This is a minus multiplied to this minus, so this is a plus. So this is a 4 plus 3 whole square, plus this is a minus minus plus 8 whole square. Okay, and this is the 4 plus 3 is 7 whole square, and this is a minus 8 whole square. Okay, and this is a 7 is 49, 7 square is 49, and 8 square is the 64. So distance between the BCE is the under root of 113. Okay, so this is a topic about the coordinate geometry. So first is the introduction of coordinate geometry. Okay, locate the point and find out the distance between the 2 points. Okay, so thank you, and thank you for watching my video.